For today's video, I wanted to go through my hair care, skincare, beauty products, and I wanted to organize them, declutter some, and just really see what I have. I wanted to take you along with me to do this because a lot of the time we may go out to the drugstore and always buy a new moisturizer, face cleanser, face mask, and we never realize what we already have. So maybe this video will inspire you to go through and see what you currently have. I always find it fun to see what people have, and I just wanted to share this with you. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below one category, whether it be shampoo, conditioner, hair mask, what do you have multiple of? And without further ado, let's get into my beauty product declutter organization inventory video. The very first thing here, this is the Mary Kay SPF 50 sunscreen. I'm going to keep this because sunscreen is good to have year round. This here is the Orange Blossom Body Wash by Lovescript. I can't wait to use this, so definitely keeping this. So this here is the Terraco Foot Cream in Blood Oranges. I can't wait to use this, so I'm very excited. Okay, so next up is the Fanola Fiber Fix Bond Corrector Sealing Cream. This is so good, so I'm keeping that. This I have tried. I tried to use, but I can't use it. This is the Cityscape Silkening Dry Oil. I just feel like when I use it, it's not for me. I understand it's for like the décolleté and it's for more like sophisticated events or anything, but it's not for me, and I tried to use it even for like a replacement as a perfume, and it's just not for me. So this I can declutter. Oh, the next thing here, this can be decluttered also. This here is the Mary Kay Naturally Moisturizing Stick Moisturizer, and I seriously tried to use this literally as much as I could, but I can't anymore. I don't know what happened. Like, I didn't have it for long, and it's so dry, it's hard to apply on the face. Not just that, it just doesn't feel right on my face. It starts to almost get itchy and make my skin irritated, so this can go. This is the Mary Kay Sun Care After Sun Replenishing Gel. This I want to keep upstairs with my sunscreen because I do want to use this. Okay, this is an extra curling iron that I keep just in case something happens to my time iron. The next item here is a NutriCare shampoo from Fanola, which I will keep. This here is the Mary Kay Satin Body Indulgent Shea Wash. I can't wait to use this. Their hand cream was phenomenal, so this was going to be so good. Ooh, okay, I can't wait to get into this. This is the Eminence Mangosteen Revitalizing Mist. Oh, as soon as I finish a skincare product, I'm going to incorporate this in there, but oh my goodness, I can't wait to use this. Eminence is probably my favorite skincare line. I have tried so many products and they all work amazing, so I can't wait to incorporate this into my skincare routine. The next one is the Nutra One 10 Action Spray from Fanola. If you guys watched my nighttime vlog, you would know that I actually just finished a bottle of this up, and I can't wait to get into this one because it is so good for your hair. Seriously, this does everything you need. I have a bottle here of the Fanola No Orange shampoo. No, the mask. This is a mask. This is amazing to help take the orange out of your hair. If you feel like you're blonde and you have more of an orange tone to your hair, this is really good to help cancel out any orange. Next up, this is the Orotherapy 24K shampoo. It's an illuminating shampoo with keratin and argan. I actually haven't tried this yet, and I'm really excited to. I'm almost done my other shampoo, and as soon as I'm done, I'm going to be trying this one. I have the Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler, which I have heard amazing things, and it's from Dry Bar. I got this in a FabFitFun box, and I have a feeling I'm going to be using this one soon. I don't know, have I tried this? I don't think so. I don't know if I have opened this or not, but I think I did, so this will probably be the next hair care product that I use out of everything, but I'm excited to give this a try. Okay, so the next thing I have here, this is the Cica Hydration Essence Moisturizer. I tried to use this a lot and I just couldn't get it to sink into my skin. As much as I liked how it felt, it just wouldn't sink in and hydrate my skin enough, so I'm going to pass this one on. I have a No Yellow shampoo from Fanola. This here helps to cancel out any yellow tones. So if you're noticing your hair is more yellow, this is probably the best way to go to cancel that out if you're blonde. I have a Avon Skin So Soft Radiant Moisture Creamy Body Wash. My boyfriend absolutely loves Avon. It's funny because anytime that I've had Avon soap or body wash or anything like that and he uses it, he loves it. I'm keeping this. Oh, let's do this here. This here was the Carbon Cocoa Magnetic Charcoal Mask. Now I did a full review on this and I think it was really cool and very fun and it worked well. The only thing is it's very bulky packaging and I'm not going to lie, like it's just too much in my opinion. Like I know I could take it all out, but then I would have these two items, this item, and then this to all keep together. And I don't know, I just feel like that's a little bit too much for me personally. And I think that someone else would probably really enjoy using this because I use this, I think I tried this out 4 times. So I am gonna pass this on, but it was really, really fun to do and I did enjoy it. I don't feel like keeping this big box around. Okay, what is next? The Fanola conditioner. Oh yes, this is a leave-in conditioner. If you're looking for a good leave-in conditioner that won't weigh your hair down, that won't make your hair feel greasy, that'll make your hair feel soft and just look really good, this one from Fanola is amazing. I love the NutriCare line. It just works so well. I have actually tried this before. So what I try and do is any hair care products that I have open. So for example, once I finish my Avita Daily Hair Repair and the Oral Therapy, I will substitute it for one of these just because I always try and use up whatever is open prior to opening different things. So one of these will probably be swapped in about 2 to 3 months. This is the Mary Kay Satin Hands Smoothing Shea Scrub. I feel like I would use this a lot in the fall and the winter when my hands are a lot more dry, and it would be really, really nice in my bathroom because there's a pump. So I can't wait to give this a try. Oh yes, I remember I got this in a FabFitFun box and I've been wanting to use this, but I always forget about it. This is the Frank Body Coffee Scrub. Oh my goodness, I want to try this out. I can't wait to try this because I love scrubs. Okay, so let's take these. I got these here in a FabFitFun box. Now, when is the expiry date? 2022. Okay, so these are actually still good. I'm currently working on like a Mary Kay gel face mask, but I can totally see myself using these once that is done. These seem so cool. Like I have an eye one. Okay, I'm gonna keep these. They still feel good, still feel fresh, and the expiry date isn't for a while. So I'm definitely going to keep these, and then once my Mary Kay mask is done, I will incorporate these into my skincare routine. More hair care. So this is the Sebastian Sharper Plus. Absolutely love this hairspray. The only thing for me is the actual like sprayer, like mister on it is a hit and miss sometimes. Other than that, this works amazing. I'm glad I spent the $20 on it. So I'm definitely keeping this. And the scent is nice. It's like that salon scent. It's really good. It says touchable, humidity resistant, extra hold, and I would say yes to all of that. What is this? Oh, I haven't even touched this yet. This came in my FabFitFun box. It is the Beach Mist. And I'm not gonna lie, a lot of people were really excited to get this and use this, and I haven't heard anybody talk about this after at all. I have heard nothing. So I have, let me see here. I actually have these two, which are, I think, almost the same thing. This is open, so I want to continue using it, and it works really well. I've actually used this already this year, and this I haven't even touched. I know it's supposed to help your skin after the sun, but I don't know if I'm going to actually use this or not. So I'm going to keep it around a little bit longer. And if I don't use it, then I may give it away, but it's still new to me. So I'm going to see if I'm able to get to it by the end of this year. This here is the main reason why I like to only use what I have before purchasing anything new. So I actually went to Vaughn, I'd want to say like a year and a half ago, and I bought this a year and a half ago because I tried a sample of this and I fell in love and I've wanted to use it ever since. But because I review products on my channel and because I've purchased Eminence products and because I've been like gifted products from companies and everything like that, I would use it and then I would have to put it away because I would try something else. So what is there an expiry date on this? It says it's good for 24 months once it's opened. So I am actually almost done my Eminence cleanser. I think I only have 1 or 2 uses and then I will put this in to use it up. But honestly, you guys, if you have skincare products, hair care products, any type of products, even makeup, if you're able to use up a product before opening something new, please do so, because I spent a lot of money on this. And if I go to use it and it doesn't work, or does it smell the same? So it still smells okay, but it's gonna be such a shame if this went to waste because I spent a lot of money on this. I'm really hoping that I can get some use out of this before it goes bad. Oh, I absolutely love these. These are the black eye masks. They have hyaluronic acid in them. When I did my FabFitFun box, I added these in right away because I really wanted them. Now, this is the black mask, and I believe you can peel it off. The only thing is I'm not really good with certain face masks, so I'm glad that this is only 60 milliliters because I can try it out, and if I'm not a fan of it, I can pass it on to one of my sisters, but I'm going to incorporate this after I finish my Mary Kay mask and all of those sheet masks that I had showed you in the beginning. This I'm actually going to declutter. I was really excited about this in my FabFitFun box. It's one of those ice rollers, but once it gets cold, it doesn't roll as nice, and honestly, I only used it like 2 times since I've had it, so this can go. This is a hair mask for blonde hair. Again, it really helps to take the yellow tint out of your hair and make it more blonde, so love this so much. This is the Mary Kay Satin Hands Nourishing Shea Cream. This is going to be a really nice hand cream, and I'm currently working on a few different moisturizers, and as soon as those are done, I can open this up. This is the Orotherapy Diamante Pro. This is a really good heat protector, or it also helps against the UV rays from the sun. This is amazing to put in your hair, so I would definitely recommend this if you're looking for a good heat protectant. I have one upstairs. This is just like a backup. You get 100 milliliters of product, and it takes forever to use because you only want to use a couple drops. If you use too much, it can weigh your hair down, but if you use just a couple drops, you're good to go. This is the Mary Kay Satin Hands Protecting Softener. I believe this is like a hand cream, so again, once I'm done a few other products, I will try this. They also have some fragrance-free products if you're looking for fragrance-free skincare products. Love this because it smells like straight up Jolly Ranchers. This is the NutriCare Restructuring Fluid Crystals Serum. If you're not using a serum in your hair, you need to. Not just that, this bottle here is 100 milliliters and it lasted me like 2 years. Perfect for your hair. It'll make your hair soft, it'll make your hair shiny, it'll make your hair silky. This is the perfect addition to your hair care routine, and I always put it in dry hair, even on day 2, day 3, day 4, and it works so well. I have the No Orange shampoo from Fanola. Again, this is going to really help take the orange tones out of your hair. This is the White Tea and Citrus lotion, which I have had as a hand cream, and it smells amazing. And this is the scrub, which I can imagine smells just as good as the hand lotion, and this is going to be perfect for the winter time when my body needs a scrub. This is the Mary Kay Time Wise Micro Dermabrasion Refine. I haven't tried this yet, but once I'm finished a few more skincare products, I can incorporate it. I'm going to be keeping my comb. And then last but not least is another bottle of the 10 Action Spray by Fanola. Okay, so I somewhat organize my bins. So let's put them in the middle. I forgot to mention this here. This is the Vt Cosmetics Cica sunscreen. Apparently it has 50 SPF, so I think it's still good. When does this expire? Yes, this is still good, so I am going to give this a shot and see how it is. I feel like this is a nice variety to have for skincare just because I'm able to use up what I have, and only this is really open. So I have my face mask, my Clinique Prep and Start. I've got some other products that I'm going to try out. Here is my body care, which includes like hand lotions, body lotions, foot lotion, you know, a body soap. This is the oldest product out of everything. So this will be the first product to be used once my Dove soap is done. And I'm also going to incorporate this, but I just thought it was better in the back. And then here is my hair care bucket with my hair care essentials. So as soon as my Avita or my oral therapy is done, I'm going to incorporate the Prep Rally Dry Bar Spray, and then once this is done, I can incorporate the leave-in conditioner. I have these two that I would like to use up. They are good. They're just not as good as the purple shampoo in my opinion, but they are good just to help kind of balance out my blonde hair. And then these here, you can tell, like Fanola is my favorite hair care products, obviously, but I do get some from FabFitFun that I do like to try out and that do work very well. So here are my 3 organized buckets. This is so much better, and I feel like it's easy for me to see everything and I know exactly what I have now. I didn't declutter much, but that's okay because I feel like as long as I'm getting rid of stuff I'm not using, that's all that matters. So the dry oil, this is not working for me, so I'm going to pass this on. The Vt Cosmetics Cica Hydration Essence Moisturizer, this did not work for me, so I'm going to pass this on. The Mary Kay Naturally Moisturizing Stick did not work for me, passing it on. This just did not work for me. I mean, it just doesn't roll properly when it's cold, so passing this on. So that's 4, and then this mask. Like I said, even if I keep the mask, I have to keep all of this together, and I just feel like it's too clunky for me. I don't know, that's just me. So anyway, I feel like one of my sisters can have a fun mask night and, you know, enjoy it because it worked well, just not for me. So these here are moving on to where they will actually be used and get used before they go bad. So you guys, that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!